Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreamboat Sneha. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your aloe vera gel for your hair care, skin care and much more. So keep watching this video till end so you don't miss any hack. I use it as a hair serum. I have very dull, damaged and dry hair. So what I do is I take aloe vera gel. This is from the Face Shop brand. I love this one because it is 99% natural, and you can use any aloe vera gel from any brand, or you can extract your own aloe vera gel from an aloe vera leaf. So just as I'll apply any hair serum, I apply it from mid length to end length of my hair, and then the leftover I apply on the top of my hair. So it helps me in making my hair look manageable instantly. Now it's time for second hack. Aloe vera gel can also be used like a cleanser. Before applying it, you have to wash your face with the normal water. And then I'm taking the aloe vera gel that I used before. I apply it all over my face and then I massage it well, like for 1 to 2 minutes. This is a natural moisturizer and it enhances elasticity of skin and it keeps skin hydrated. It also helps in removing fine lines. So after I've massaged my face and my neck, it's time to clean it up. So for that I take a cotton pad dipped in water and I clean my entire face and my neck with it. You can also use a wet tissue wipe instead of a cotton pad and clean off all the aloe vera gel that you have just applied on your face and neck. So yeah, you have cleansed your face with your aloe vera gel. Time for third hack. I also make my own scrub with aloe vera gel. For that, I take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. I add 1/2 tablespoon of sugar in it. You can also use rice flour instead of a sugar. And then you have to mix this mixture really well so as to get one mixture. Now I'm taking the mixture that I have mixed well and I'll apply it all over my face and then I'll scrub my face. I also apply this on my neck, and you can use this scrub twice or thrice in a week. This scrub is very great for acne prone skin, as aloe vera gel has antioxidant properties, so it has a very good healing effect. So it is very good for all the skin, and especially if you have acne prone skin and damaged skin, then you got to try this and it will work as a magic, girls. Now I'm done with scrubbing, so I'll just wash it off and I'll pat dry my face with a towel, just like this. Time for fourth hack. You can make your own toner. For that you need 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of rose water. Here I am using Dabur Gulabari. And then you have to add 2 tablespoons of distilled water, or you can add normal drinking water in it. And then mix it well so that it becomes one product. Now you pour it into an empty spray bottle. And whenever you have to use it, you have to shake it well. It can also be stored in refrigerator for 7 to 10 days. Before using it as a toner, I'll shake it well and then I'll spray it all over my face and neck, just like this. So you can let it air dry, or what I do is I pat with my fingers just like this so that the product gets absorbed inside my skin. Oh, time for fifth hack. I also use aloe vera gel to moisturize my face. So what I do before I go to sleep, I apply aloe vera gel as a moisturizer all over my face and on my neck. So the great quality about this is that it moisturizes my skin and without making it look greasy. So I often use it as a night cream. Sixth hack, as an under eye cream. I also use aloe vera gel as an under eye cream. So I apply it with my fingers and then massage it just like this. So I do it before I go to bed, like before sleeping I apply it. Already it's 7th hack. You can also apply aloe vera gel on your lips to moisturize your lips. You can use aloe vera gel as a shaving gel. So yes, before I do a razor, I apply little aloe vera gel on that area where I'm supposed to do a razor. Here I have applied aloe vera gel on my hands, and now it's time for doing razor. It helps me in getting softer hair the next time and not the hard hair girls. So yeah, this really helps. Did you know you can moisturize your nails? I also use aloe vera gel to moisturize my nails and the cuticles. As of now, my nails are painted, but whenever you apply aloe vera gel, for its effectiveness, your nails should be bare and not painted. So it helps in moisturizing your nails and the cuticles. Time for the last hack. Last but not the least, you can also use aloe vera gel as a primer. So it will help you in giving the base before your foundation, and it also helps in closing the pores, and it helps in making your makeup lock for a long time, so your makeup stays for a longer time. Now I'm applying my regular foundation, and it will give a better touch to my foundation. I'm just applying it with my fingers, and I'll be blending it off with my fingers only. But yeah, you can obviously use your beauty blender or brush. I'm just showing here that how it can be used as a primer. So yes, yeah, this is it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Dreamboat Sneha. Also, you can follow me on Instagram with username Dreamboat Sneha. So I guess I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.